Hello friends, today this section will discuss about how to share the Power Apps to the external user. So in this section I will show you how to do it. There is some few steps which we need to follow to do this. So what we need to do first, before we start, we should make sure that we should have access to the Azure Active Directory. So here only I will do these steps. So first of all, what we'll do, I'll just log into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Here you have to go to the Azure Active Directory. Next, go to the dashboard of Active Directory, it means Azure Active Directory. Here, just go to the user section. In the user section, I have already created the external user, so I am not going to create anymore. So first of all, when you create that time, you should have the admin privilege to the Office share, Office 365 side. So here, if you see, this is my email ID, which has admin privilege. So here what I did, here I created a user called Raj outside. Yeah, this is my user which I have created now. So how to, first it will take some time to load this user, but before that I will show you one steps which I missed here. Just this. Yeah, now I will go to here. In the user section, first of all, we have to create that external user here. So how you will do it means, you can't directly share to the means the uh, you can't directly share the apps to the external user. Before that, you have to add that user here. So here you have to go to the new guest user. There are two type of user is there. If you want to go for internal user, then you create an internal user here. You create a new user here. If you want to create a guest user or outside of a external user, then you should go to the new guest user. In the new guest user section, so it will and there are two options here. So just a second, it is taking some time to load. Uh, when you yeah, if you go to here, you see here, then there is a create a user, create a new user in your organization, or there is a invite user, invite new guest user to collaborate with your organization. The user will be emailed individual accept in order to bring the collaborating. So here you have to create that user based on the uh, existing username. So here if you see, you have to give the user which will come like this. This is my domain, so it will come like this. But if you choose the invite user this section, it will, you will have to give the different user. So how you will do it? Next again I will go to here. I have already created here. If you see here, I have given the username rkiran44@hotmail.com. This is the guest user. Just click on it. Uh, it will give you the user which will come from. This is my different user, like Office 365 user. So if you see here, this is the outside. Here I given the username like this. Here also you can to identity easily. You can I give, I have to update my photo here. So this is the section. If you see, you have to update your email ID here, and this is the my name is coming here. And if you see here, this is my email ID. Principal name is rkiran44@hotmail.com. It's not comes like the @picasa dot like so. Okay, once your uh, user has got created, so you will get an email to the personal email ID. You will get an email from to your personal email ID which you have given. So after that, what you will do, just go to the SharePoint section, because here also we have to, in the SharePoint, in the admin center also, in the side label, you have to make sure that you are already given the external permission, means external user permission to the site. So that also you need to verify. To verifying this, that will come over here. Actually there is some issue in my internet connection, is a bit slow here, so that it is taking time. So so here first of all what we'll do, first we have to check on our SharePoint site has already have the external connection or external shared or not. So how we'll check, just click on this site. If you go to the here in the sharing section, here you can see your site has the access or not. Here if you see the site now, means here the site access to anyone, it's not only people in your organization. So first of all you have to set this one. Then what you will do next, I just go to your site. Here in the visitors group I given that email ID I have added here, so that this user also can able to access as a visitor group. So how you will do it, just go to here. This is login my account in another in different inconvenience mode. So here if you see, this is my user, this is my Hotmail email ID. I logged in through Hotmail email here, and I have already visitors access, so that's it's coming like this. I'm not able to see anything, only I'm seeing this list contents. So what to do next, I will go to my PowerApps. This is my PowerApps. So in this section I'll just try to refresh this. This is my PowerApps which I have created earlier. So now what I'll do, actually we can directly give the permission here, because why I given the permission in SharePoint site also, because sometimes we need some data from the SharePoint site as well. So in PowerApps, suppose in PowerApps I have a table and I want to get data from SharePoint site, but that time if you do not have the permission in SharePoint, so that time you will get the error, because you don't have the, you have the permission to PowerApps, but you don't have permission to SharePoint. So that's why I given the permission first in SharePoint. So SharePoint level. Next I given the PowerApps. Here go to the share section. If you go to the share section, here just give the arkiran44 at the rate. If you see here, my user is coming here. Now if you see, I also given my different user. This user also I given. If you see, and now I am able to assign the permission to external user. If you see arkiran44@gmail.com, arkiran44@gmail.com. Now I am going to the click on sharing option. Yeah, if you see now, these three user I have given the permission. So now you will go to your mail. In email now you will get an email. That will share you the all details. Yeah, now if you go here, see, now Rajkiran, because this share you understanding power of table, means here I got the link. So now again go to the link. Here I'm just going here, click and paste. Now you will get this type of authentication. Just click on OK. Next it will sign in required. If you authenticate, it will check. Yeah, now if you see this PowerApps I did, means I using as a like external user access. It's not for SharePoint Office user access. This is my external user. This is the thing we need. There are some steps we need to follow. This is all about to means external to share the our PowerApps to the external user. This is the steps all about. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Bye bye.